Hey, welcome back, koi and pond fans. Today we're in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and we're going to check out another pond build by Jordan Nesmith of Nesmith Aquascapes. Let's go check it out. Here we go. All right, I just love this one. So this is, there used to be a pond down here at the bottom, and what Jordan did was add on the waterfall and did all the landscaping, installed some lights and some other things. We'll go through it step by step here. Let's come up here and check out the waterfall first. So pretty impressive. Look how natural everything looks. Also, like, look how he matched the color of the stone that was here. There was the decorative walkway was here and matched the color of the stone that's on the pond, so that's very natural. He brings in all the extra decorations there as well, the stumps. Jordan does all the landscaping and all the plants. All right, we have a skimmer basket here at the bottom with the pump, which obviously takes the water up to the waterfall and coming down. Jordan is going to replace this and put a even bigger skimmer basket and pump in here at a later time. All right, Jordan could also do the electrical and the lighting for you. This is the remote system that controls the lighting. I'll take you up. So there is one light that's in the water at the bottom of the pond right now, and it's got two other lights up and underneath the water, in the water, so you can see one of them right here, right there. So definitely gotta look pretty sweet at nighttime. All right, there you have it. Got this far, please hit the like button. And yeah, want to build a pond or pondless waterfall or waterfall in the Harrisburg, Mechanicsburg, Dillsburg area, please look up Jordan. All right, have a good one. We'll see you.